Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript classes. ECMASCRIPT 6 or ECMASCRIPT 2015, also known as ES6, introduced JavaScript classes. JavaScript classes are templates for JavaScript objects. You can create a class by using the keyword class to create a class. And let me give an example. Let's come in here and type script tag, and within a script tag I'm gonna create a class here with class keyword, and then I'm gonna type car followed by curly braces, and here I'm gonna add constructor method parenthesis, and this class will receive name and year of the car and parenthesis. Then we will declare its properties with this keyword name equals name, this one, and this dot year equals year, this one. And now I'm gonna initiate an object const my car equals new car, and here I'm gonna type Ford, and the year would be 2014. And you can access your project properties by, I'm gonna console log, say my car dot name, and I'm gonna give here space and also concatenate my car dot year. Hit save and we get Ford 2014. Now let me tell you about this constructor method. The functions inside any of the class is called method, and this constructor method has to have the exact name constructor as we have typed here, and it is executed automatically when a new object is created, and it is used to initialize object properties. Now let's create a method here that will return the car age. Just come in here and type age parenthesis followed by curly braces, let date equals new date object semicolon, and return date dot get full year parenthesis minus this dot year semicolon. Now I'm gonna type in here my car is my car dot age space years old, and let's add in here parenthesis and hit save, and we get my car is 8 years old because we passed in here 2014. From 2014 it becomes 8 years. And that was all about JavaScript classes. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.